we will move to the employee. So this is one of the good part which I have added for this rule, that imagine you have so many employees working in your business, and you have so many jobs for the orders, and you have to assign individual for each employees. So this is where you will get help, because you don't know which order is going to which employee, which is handling this order. So it's very tricky to track them down. So this is very good thing. So just add your employee or whatever they are working for, which position. So add their name, job position, email, contact number. So just add your employee. So over here you can see the employee details. So in the calculator back we will going to see. So you can select which employee need to handle this order. They can handle this order.